Hi, I am Dr. Revat Lakshman. I am a consultant orthopedic, joint replacement and sports injury surgeon at Apollo Spectra, Koramangala, Bangalore. ACL stands for anterior cruciate ligament. So there are, the way I put it is, there are 6 soldiers guarding your knee. 2 of them are outside. This is the MCL and the LCL. The 4 of them are inside. So this is your anterior cruciate ligament. It comes from the front of the knee and goes behind the knee and attaches to the thigh bone, starts from the leg bone. The other one is a PCL or the posterior cruciate ligament, which starts from behind your knee in the leg bone and then attaches to the front of your thigh bone towards the knee joint. And then these are the 2 menisci or the cushion to support your knee. Now an ACL tear is the tear of this anterior cruciate ligament. This can happen during falls, wherein there is some amount of twisting of the knee joint is involved. This can happen during sports like football, which are highly physical sports, pivot sports like badminton, basketball, volleyball, wherein an awkward landing can lead to an ACL tear. It can also most commonly happen during a road traffic accident, wherein the point of contact or the way you fall can lead to the injury of this ligament. Now, how do we repair it? There are many studies which say we should repair the initially torn ligament, ACL ligament, which in fresh cases we try, and more often than not it's a success. But in people who come to us after say 1.5 to 2 months, we try to reconstruct the torn ligament. Now what is a reconstruction? Reconstruction means taking another ligament which is present in this part of the knee, which is most probably not used often, and put it in the place of the torn ligament through some bioabsorbable implants. So we retain the old ACL so that the sensation, the proprioception and the sense of balance and stability still remains in the knee, and you can go back to your sports or whatever recreational activity which you like once we reconstruct this, because the sense of stability will be back and you will not feel it as any different. You will feel it as if you have your ligament back.